All right, so I kind of wanted to go over my trades this morning. It didn't really give me any real good entries. I was hoping for the 40-50 or else the 4,000 for a bounce. And of course, 450 for a short entry. Never gave that. Price action was really choppy, nasty before FOMC tomorrow. Um, but the way I found my one trade that I took was this here was our opening at 40.20, which was a key area. We pushed up above it and come back below. So once I seen that pivot and we started to pivot here, I took my fib tool, and this is on the 5 minute so we can see it a little clearer. Took my fib tool and just dragged down here, and I could see my 61.8 level um, coincided with this open. So my target, my sniper target, was right in this area. Just missed the 61, but I took it a little bit early here. Um, so I took that trade and caught a little profit off here, not much. I thought it was going to go up further, so I just took a quick scalp. Um, Came down here then, and I was hoping that we get this 4,000, but it looks like it reversed here, just a few points north of it. Um, but I really wanted it down here, and I'll show you kind of what I was thinking on that. When I took my fib extension, I took this high point here. Since this candle broke below it, I took all these candles kind of as a top point. Took this as my low point, and this is my other point. I would have liked to see that flush down into here, and was also this area here on top of this prior resistance turned support now. So we have some more candles here. Broke out above this yesterday in pre-market, came back down, and I was hoping we'd push this one down in here, which who knows, it might push down here a little bit later. As we can see, we've got a trend line going on. And just draw that. We're trying to break it at the moment. Um, just that a little bit. Down. You see, this here could have been another entry. I didn't take it, so I was over lunch. But that would have been a spot to take a trend line entry for short, come down. It looks like we're breaking above. If that closes above, could look for a retest back onto that. But let's take our fib extensions and just see where this came to. Yeah, it went through the 61.8 about to the 78. Would have been nicer if that was the 61.8. But it is what it is. Could have got it off the trend line there for a small push here. We can watch this here. It looks like we're breaking out. So let's take this off. And what I'd look for now, like I said earlier, is this to push up. We need to go above this high here. So this can push above this 40.17, push above, close above here, and we pull back and retest. That would be your area to go long. Yeah, that's about it for what I took today. Like I said, I really would have loved to have that 4,000 area or the 40.50. We'll see what the rest of the day holds. We'll zoom out here to the hourly chart. And we can see this, I mean, this huge move on the hourly yesterday. You know, a really strong area would be if we took this on our fib. If we retrace back into the 61.850 area, that would be a great spot as far as a longer time frame. And use my fib extension since this is kind of double bottom. I'm going to go from here, go up to here, come down into here. Let me see, we could push up into here. Adjust that a little bit. Or if we would go from very low and put us up in this 4060 to 4080 area, which is going to be key also, which is the tops of these, and 4080 is the very top. So it depends what FOMC does to the market tomorrow. We could really rip out of here. It might even come a little bit above, and we could go for new highs, or else it might hit this, take out stops, liquidate, and then come back down. Just all depends what the Feds do tomorrow. I'm guessing if they decide to pause on the rate hikes, or else just go with the 25 basis points, we'll probably see these highs, if not higher. Zoom out to our daily. So I'm guessing if they pause or just do 25 basis points, we'll see up in here, or we could even see, coming up in here to 4,100 and even 4,200. Maybe by the end of the week wouldn't be impossible. Now, if they say, we're going to have to go with a 50 basis points hike, we'll probably see this pull back down and make new lows, is what I'm expecting. We'll probably revisit these 3,900 area, and possibly this 3870s to 60s area. So yeah, just something to keep on watch tomorrow. It'll be at 2 o'clock is when they'll be speaking and going over what they will be doing going forward with interest rate hikes. So hopefully this is helpful for you, and just be careful tomorrow if you're trading FOMC, because it can get pretty rough sometimes and crazy. All right, thank you.